Hey everyone, it's Daniel Rubino for Windows Central, and this is the Dell XPS 15 2-in-1 9575. Dell is calling it the world's smallest, thinnest, most powerful 15-inch 2-in-1 device. The main attraction is the 15-inch 4K Infinity Edge display with 100% Adobe RGB color. But if you don't like that, you can also grab it with a full HD display, also with 100% Adobe RGB. The hinge lets you use the device in various positions. For example, tent mode is especially useful for viewing movies. The right side has two USB 3.1 ports, a headset jack, and a lock slot. The left side has two USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports with micro SD card reader and a power indicator. And yes, Dell assures us that they are using the full 4 PCIe lanes for Thunderbolt 3, ensuring maximum bandwidth with an external GPU solution. Inside, the XPS 15 2-in-1 is up to an Intel 8th generation quad-core Core i7 processor, and that is the full 45-watt kind, not the Ultrabook versions found in Surface Book 2. You can also get up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte PCIe SSD, and a Radeon RX Vega MGL graphics with 4 gigabytes of video RAM. This is one of the first instances of Intel and AMD teaming up for their new video and PC solution. It should be very cool. The device also supports Windows Hello through an infrared camera or the optional fingerprint reader, which is conveniently built right into the power button. The XPS 15 2-in-1 also supports inking, and you can get the optional Dell Premium Active Pen with 4096 pressure levels of sensitivity, and it supports tilt functionality. The pen uses Wacom AES 2.0 technology, but it also supports Microsoft Pen Protocol and Bluetooth 4.2. With the XPS 15 2-in-1, you get a powerful laptop that's only 16 millimeters thin and has an expected battery life of up to 15 hours. One thing to look out for, however, is the keyboard. It's a brand new design for the XPS family with minimal key travel using new maglev technology. It's definitely a different experience and one that Dell is experimenting with, so we'll have to wait until our review to see if we can get used to it. The Dell XPS 15 2-in-1 will be available in spring 2018 and starts at $1,299. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in this 2-in-1. I'm Daniel from Windows Central. Thanks for watching.